Hello YouTube, welcome to Confusion. I'm Harsh Kumar and this is the part 7 of the video series Neumorphic Web Design. In the previous videos, we have created our template completely, but in this video, we are going to make it responsive with media queries. If you like this video, please subscribe to Confusion and hit the notification bell. If this video got 100 likes, I will publish the repository of this project. So please support me and don't forget to subscribe. So go to our VS Code, add a command, media queries, add media, max width 786, pixel 786 pixels. Change the header height 2 to 8 pixels. Margin bottom 84 pixel. Important, make it important. And change the flex direction to column. So flex, so dot flex, comma, header dot flex, flex direction column. It's looking good. Make the images disappear. And dot illustration display none, and change grid layout to grid template column 1 FR and grid gap 10% and group all the sections within the grid. So for that, comma dot hero dot grid dot su dot grid dot writing dot grid. Change h-100 to height 700 pixel. Let me add text align center for the text. Now it's looking good, but we need to adjust the height of the context section. So for this, height 1528 pixel. Let's see what the result. Now it's looking fine. Our whole website is looking good. So that's all for now. This is the final video of this series. Please like this video and subscribe to Confusion and hit the notification bell if you like this video. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. See you in the next video. Bye bye and take care. Bye.